ResQFlare next. Meet the ResQFlare by ACR, a must-have for safety. This LED beacon surpasses the United States Coast Guard standards, providing a modern alternative to traditional signal flares. It's visible from up to 10 kilometers away and lasts for over 20 hours on a single set of batteries. Thanks to its efficient design, whether you're stranded at sea or lost in the wilderness, this flare ensures you're seen. Each beacon is priced at $80, making it an affordable and essential addition to your emergency kit. COOZMENT Jerrycan for reliable water storage. Check out the COOZMENT 12-liter Jerrycan. Its durable ABS handles and full set of accessories, including a cleaning brush, make it incredibly user-friendly. The 10-centimeter wide neck ensures easy filling and cleaning, while its BPA-free construction means no harmful chemicals leaching into your water. Whether you're hiking, camping, or in need of emergency water storage, this Jerrycan, priced at $40, is a smart and safe choice. Ready Hour Emergency Solar Flashlight. Here's the Ready Hour Emergency Solar Flashlight, a versatile all-in-one device that's indispensable in emergencies. This gadget combines a radio, flashlight, solar panel, and power bank in one compact unit. The radio tunes into weather stations operating in the VHF range, crucial for staying informed during disasters. If it's raining and the power's out, you can power it using batteries, the hand crank, or solar. It also features a USB port for charging smartphones and other devices. This multifunctional gadget is priced at $33, offering great value for its versatility and reliability. PSKOOK Fire Piston. The PSKOOK Fire Piston is a survivalist's dream. It's straightforward to use. Simply put the tinder in the notch at the end of the piston, then sharply push the piston into the cylinder. The air inside compresses, reaching temperatures over 200 degrees Celsius, igniting the tinder. It's like having a mini engine in your pocket, using pressure instead of a spark. This handy gadget, available for $20, is perfect for any survival kit, ensuring you can start a fire in any conditions. Pak Backpack. Next up, the Pak Backpacks. These are perfect for keeping your gear dry, whether you're hiking through rain or rafting down a river. Available in capacities ranging from 5 to 55 liters, there's a size for every need. Each backpack comes with a waterproof case for your smartphone, ensuring it stays safe even when submerged in water for up to 30 minutes. Grab a 20-liter backpack for just $23. It's a small price to pay for peace of mind. Hot Pocket. Meet the Hot Pocket, your versatile camping companion. This solar-powered heater doubles as a universal power bank, providing up to 12 hours of heat or 10 charges for your iPhone. Available in various sizes, it weighs under 240 grams, making it incredibly practical for camping, business trips, or festivals. Its compact design ensures it fits easily into your gear. You can get the Hot Pocket for just $99, a small price for such a multifunctional gadget. UA-80 Evolution Life Jacket. The UA-80 Evolution Life Jacket is a standout in personal safety equipment. Approved by the US military, it offers a buoyancy of 36 kilograms despite weighing only 1.6 kilograms. The innovative sweat lake system ensures comfort during prolonged use. It also features integrated mole mounts for added convenience, allowing you to attach essential gear. Priced at $819, this life jacket might seem steep, but considering its advanced features and military-grade approval, it's a worthy investment for serious adventurers. Gerber Exo-Mod. Gerber's Exo-Mod sheath system is revolutionizing the hunting and outdoor gear market. The Exo-Mod line allows you to create a customized set of tools, whether you need knives, saws, or other implements. Each tool features a skeleton-shaped handle, making it easy to identify compatible units. The entire line is crafted from budget-friendly yet durable Chinese steel, keeping prices reasonable. For instance, a knife with a sheath costs just $36. Whether you're a hunter, camper, or survivalist, the Exo-Mod system offers flexibility and reliability. Sawyer Mini Water Filtration System. The Sawyer Mini Water Filtration System is essential for any outdoor enthusiast. Weighing only 57 grams, it can purify up to 378,541 liters of water, removing 99% of bacteria, nearly 100% of protozoa, and all microplastics. If you're in a hurry, simply attach a straw to the filter and sip directly from a water source. When the filter membrane nears its limit, a simple wash restores it to 98.5% of its original purification level. This compact, highly effective filter is available for $33, making it an invaluable addition to your gear. Pyro Putty. Pyro Putty is a revolutionary fire starter that works perfectly with your fire piston or on its own. It contains a patented ignition material that's non-toxic and free from petroleum products. A small amount can keep a fire burning for up to 15 minutes, making it ideal for wood stoves and campfires. It's easy to attach to firewood and comes in various scents like cinnamon. Prices range from $13 to $25 depending on the kindling type. For example, the stove and pit kindling, designed for fireplaces and home stoves, has a pleasant cinnamon scent. XINYE Guardian Lamps. The XINYE Guardian Lamp is a versatile hybrid gadget, packing a light, power bank, alarm, and multi-tool into one compact unit. Using an IR sensor, it detects animal activity within a 10-meter radius and a 60-degree range. If you encounter a wolf or bear, the Guardian Lamp will notify you with light and sound. It offers 3 lighting modes, each with different warmth to suit various needs. The 20 battery lasts for 18 hours, making it perfect for long nights outdoors. At just 210 grams, this multifunctional hybrid is reasonably priced at $59. TEREN Campfire Puffy Jacket. The TEREN Campfire Puffy Jacket is designed to withstand the toughest outdoor conditions. It's resistant to thorns, water, rocks, and even campfire sparks. Unlike ordinary jackets, it easily shakes off these challenges. Version 2.0 is 10 times more comfortable than its predecessor, ensuring you stay warm and comfortable. Available in 5 sizes, this jacket is perfect for any outdoor adventure. With 6 pockets, you can carry all your essentials on your walks. Priced at $400, the Campfire Puffy 2.0 is a top choice for serious adventurers. YOOATOM Modular Energy System. Introducing YOOATOM, the world's first smart modular energy system. This innovative system features a base where cylinder blocks fit snugly, offering the flexibility to use them together or separately. Each block serves as an 86.4 WH power bank, while the base boasts diverse connectivity options from USB-A to 220-volt outlets. For safety, YOOATOM includes protection against overload, short circuits, overheating, and undervoltage. The set containing the base and 4 units is priced at $800, making it a premium yet versatile power solution for any adventurer. LOCKHART Tactical 12GA STATAS. Safety is paramount in the wild, and the LOCKHART Tactical 12GA STATAS system ensures you're protected. This versatile alarm system can safeguard campgrounds and tent camps with its flexible configuration. It can be fitted with flares and special ammunition to repel animals like bears and wild boars. The STATAS can be activated automatically or manually, and the basic kit is pocket-sized for easy transport. Not bad for $75, right? Ensure your campsite is secure with this innovative alarm system. My Medic SIDEKICK. Every adventurer needs a reliable first aid kit, and the My Medic SIDEKICK is just that. This compact kit packs over 45 essentials, including bone gel, bandages, water purifying tablets, and medicines like ibuprofen. Buyers also receive a digital guide filled with survival tips. Opt for the Pro Kit version, and you'll get a comprehensive life-saving training video course. Whether you're dealing with minor cuts or more serious injuries, the SIDEKICK has you covered. The standard version is priced at $75, while the Pro version goes for $120.